Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Orient Security Shop. Today's video is all about connecting the Ezviz camera to an Android LCD. If you already own an Android LCD, simply search for the Ezviz app from your Play Store. Under the name Ezviz TV, you can access it. If you don't have an app show in the name of Ezviz TV, then you can get an Android box. We have these three models. Among them, the first model is with normal speed, and second is 2 GB speed. And third is also 2 GB M, and also it has voice remote. Details will be explained in a separate video. The link of buying these Android boxes is present in the description. If you want to buy directly from us, then the contact number is also present in the description. At the moment, we will tell you how to multiply the camera with the LCD. We have installed this model in the center for you at this time. Tiger X200. And the TV app of Ezviz TV has been installed in it. Then first of all we go to the apps. You can see that it is showing to Ezviz apps. One is in the name of Ezviz and the other is in the name of Ezviz TV app. If you open it, you will ask for this permission for the first time. You clicked on agree. After that you can see that here country is showing USA, but our country is not from USA. Our country is Pakistan. If you are trying to add it somewhere out of country, by watching this video you have to select your country. But I am in Pakistan at this time. I will select Pakistan from here. Go to Pakistan option and select it. Just click on it. Pakistan will be selected. Accordingly I got the QR code generated. Now the next step is very simple. You must have already added the camera of Ezviz in your mobile. If not, then do it and come in this video. I have 2 to 3 cameras running in my tablet at the moment. So all I have to do is go to ID and click on the sign of plus. Clicking on the plus sign is showing scan QR code option. Click on scan QR code. When I click on the QR code it will tell me to scan the QR code. For that, you have to scan the QR code that is being shown in front of you. And after some time, the camera will be added. This sign-in option is showing you here too. You have to click on sign in. Then that camera will show there. Otherwise it will not show. Now we will see. As soon as I clicked on sign in, the cameras have come in front of me. Click on more devices. I will click on more devices. Now you can select any camera from here. If you double click on it, the camera show in front on your screen. You can see that the camera is also running on my LCD and is also running on my mobile at a time. The camera will also run on our mobile and will also run on our Android LCD. Now let us see how we can activate the function of PTZ on Android LCD. Press the OK button from the remote of your Android TV. After pressing the OK button you have to press the OK button once again. After that, you have to press on your down arrow button and click on PTZ and then OK. In this way, the function of PTZ will be activated and its symbol will be shown on the right side of this screen. Now from here you can move the camera left, right, up, down. Thus concludes today's video, where we demonstrated how to integrate your camera with an Android LCD. If you do not have an Android LCD, you can upgrade by shifting to Android box and connecting your camera. Please remember to like and share if you found this informative. Thank you.